Hello you all, it's Maaike and it's time for an easy craft video. Welcome to my easy craft series, and in this series I'm going to support your inner craft mojo. If you are new or you are a way long crafter, you are crafting such a long time but you don't craft anymore, or you just want to do something really easy, then this series is for you. I hope you are liking it, and I already have made a few videos. You can find it on my YouTube channel, of course. So here we go. And we are going to make this folder. It says my name, Maaike. This one I received from a dear pen pal, Angelique she is called. And yeah, I got this from her with a letter inside, and it was so much fun to open. And I thought this is perfect for my easy craft series. So this is what we're going to make. You can see it's super easy, but you will see how much fun it is to make. So thank you, Angelique, for the inspiration, because I love it. So here we go. And the only thing I didn't do, I didn't make this closure because it's easy craft. I didn't want to use any complicated, but any tools or whatsoever. So we are going to close it. You can use it with Velcro dots, but then I thought if you don't have Velcro dots, then I've got some ribbon. But this is what we are going to make. Isn't it super cute? The paper is sponsored. It's by Fancy Pants Designs, Spot and Oliver. It's super cute. So you're going to need paper, something for a closure, your scoring tool, some glue, what was falling down, a scissor, and your bone folder, and the sizes, which I'm going to give you right now. Here we go. And well, if there are some questions, please let me know. I already did some work in advance, so I can just show you how to do it, because yeah, it's not really that easy. Look, already you can see it's a folder. I'm going to get rid of all the papers. You are going to need one base paper, one piece for your folder. That's going to be 6.5 by 11.5. 6.5, 11.5, one piece. Then I'm going to tell you in a few seconds how to score them. But I also want to tell you the layers you're going to need, so you can do it in advance as well, because you can see it's just plain like this. So I think you want to work with this side and this side, so you want to both cover it up. If you don't want it, then of course you just need one layer each size. So that's really up to you, but you will need, if you're going to layer them twice, 2.75 by 6.25, 4.25 by 6.25, 3.75 by 6.25. No worries, I will write it down in the description box. So that's already something I did. I pre-cut it, and I also made this pocket. But first we are going to score this paper, which you can see I already did. But you're laying it on your scoring board, and on the 11.5 mark inch paper you're going to score at 3 inch and at 7.5 inch. So 3 and 7.5, super easy. And when you did that, then look, this is going to be your folder. And for a minute I'm going to flip this to the side. It's going to be dark. So we are going to cover it up. Well, you can see it's really easy. Maybe you already I'm thinking, oh, I don't need to see the end because I know how to do it. I totally understand, but please let me know if it did something for you. And I'm going to place this gorgeous paper, and I thought I was a little bit sad to use this, but yeah, that's paper choices. I'm going to cover it up. Yeah, and the thing I just love about it is that this is so easy, but it's so much fun. It's really making myself creative. I got the feeling of paper in my hands. Maybe the smell you like of paper, because I do recognize it. I really love the smell of paper. And when I don't know what to do about for crafts, what to make, then this is such a solution. Make something really easy, something that can't, look beautiful, can't go wrong. And yeah, that's really my go-to when I am not feeling crafty. But I have to say those days, sorry, I do not have much. But yeah, you never know, because I know so many girls who had those days, and those days become months and weeks and yeah, and so on. And that's such a pity. Then we are going to place this one. Gorgeous. And it's always difficult choice to use the right paper size, of course. I mean, the print, the colors, what do you want to show, what are you going to cover up? But already, this is so easy. Look, well, this part, of course, we have to cover it up. For this one, we have this part. Are you still with me? Let me know in the comments what you think of it. And do you like these videos, or do you have some suggestions for me? Maybe that would be really nice to think for me. What can I do as an easy craft video? And let me say differently, what kind of craft do you use to get a new inspiration? Look, isn't it beautiful? I just love it. I just literally didn't do anything, a minute of work, and look, gorgeous already. Then only this one. Well, I can choose which one do I want. This one is cool, but I also really love yeah, I can't choose, but okay. I'm going for the softer color. Look, beautiful. I just love this vibe. The orange, the dark, the soft vintage color is beautiful. Well, already it's done. You can say I'm going to leave it like this, but in the original one I've got this pocket, so I thought I'm going to place a pocket in here as well. And yeah, it's gorgeous. You can see it's all fits perfect together. And this basic piece is 3.5 by 4 and 3/4. So 3.5 inch, 4 3/4. And you're going to score at 3 sides, both on the right side and on the bottom, at 1/4 inch. If you want your pocket to make it a little bit bigger, then of course you can extend it with 1/4 inch on all sides. But I thought a small pocket is fine. So you're going to get your scoring board. And my scoring board, you can see it's a little bit yellow. Sometimes I think, shall I buy a new one? But then I think, nah, it's working. But yeah, maybe a proper clean up will do a lot already. You're going to score on the 4 3/4 size at 1/4 inch. You're going to rotate the paper, then again 1/4 inch. And on the bottom, well, since this paper is basic, it really doesn't matter which one you're going to use as the bottom. Then we have this layer piece, and this one is 3 by 4/4. And all you have to do is make some incisions in this pocket. Look, you can see how I do. So you want those wedges Okay, this is not, that I think it will be, oh yeah, that's fine. Maybe some small, I'm not sure if I should have done this. But yeah, okay. Then at the, it's not the bottom, it's the end. There you go. Then when you are getting a little piece of paper away, then you can fold it more beautiful. So then we are going to attach this to your paper. I'm going to glue this down. And of course you can use tape or whatever you want to use. But I'm using my tape of glue at the moment. It's a tacky glue. I really wish for something else to use with, because I saw other crafters, or I don't know the name of it, but they say it's the best glue there is. So am I missing something out? But I don't know the name of it. Barely glue maybe? Uh-oh, you can see I had glue on my fingers. And now there is some glue over here. There we've got this one. Oh, this one. Well, making this pocket, I'm thinking, I wish I should have used some tape, because it's thick paper. So it's heavy paper, it's heavy cardstock. And I don't think the glue, or I just have to be more patient. But normally that's not me. So well, look, isn't it gorgeous? Just some paper, some glue, and you're, oh, I just love it. Then I just had some few ephemera pieces I wanted to add to this folder, because when you're folding it down, it's like this. Well, it's okay, of course, it's pretty, but I thought this is going to be nice to put it here. Then you've got some more interaction, no, not interaction, but then it's more exciting maybe, because I always love to see something more added, so then you're curious about, hey, what's going on, what did she do? So I'm going to place it like this, make sure it's even, and yeah, I should have let this open so I can make it as a pocket, but of course you can use your photo for here, or just whatever you want. But you see, this already is more fun. Then I've got just this piece, because there is already happening a lot, and I think read more, learn more. I really love that capture. So here we go. Oh yeah, you can see it's so easy, but so much fun. Then I've got this sweet baby tag, and I thought that's fun to wrap it around. I'm going to close it. So it's just a tag. I put a string to it, string ribbon, really easy. You can do it, of course, everywhere you want, but I wanted to do it in the middle. I think that's always fun. So yeah, you can see how super easy. Yeah, and that's the beauty of paper, isn't it? Oh, I'm so excited, and only just, it's so simple. look. Isn't it super fun? Well, thank you for watching and let me know what you think of it. And if you have some suggestions or maybe you've got another idea for me, let me know. We are going to make it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.